No other car offers it, foreign or domestic, only Cadillac. It's the exclusive new V8 6-4 fuel injection, the standard gasoline engine for all 1981 Cadillacs. As you start out, all 8 cylinders are in operation. As power needs lessen, the car automatically goes to 6 cylinders, and then to 4 cylinders. When you need it, it instantly reverts to 8 cylinders again. Test drive V8 6-4. Only your Cadillac dealer has it.
We had closed hearts.
Experience driving perfection in the 2015 Mitsubishi Mirage. This 4-door, 5-passenger hatchback is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 3-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
If you want a machine that really moves you, the 81 Mustang Cobra, Datsun 280ZX, Porsche 924, and Pontiac Trans Am are the ones to beat. And here's a machine that does. Dodge Charger 2.2 beats those others, beats them in mileage, and beats them in acceleration. 0 to 50 in 6.6 seconds. Charger leaves them all behind. Dodge Charger 2.2, under $7,300. America's driving machine.
Here they come, Elmer. The best-selling diesels in America. 21 different models of the 1980 Oldsmobile Diesel V8s. When you see the kind of mileage Olds diesels offer, from Cutlass to 98 Regency, you can see why they won't be stopping for fuel very often.
Come have one built for you.
There they go, Elmer.
Oldsmobile.
Cute.
Sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Lexus IS 250. This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan just recently passed the 30,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Lexus prioritized comfort and style by including speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, power front seats, remote keyless entry, and cruise control.
Hello and welcome. Next I'd like to show you that how works this Opel and Vauxhall Vectras timing chain system. Now I have opened this timing chain cover and then when I use my tongs, I insert my tongs in here and then I rotate this chain moves, and in here we can see that this is timing chain. What moves this is this crankshaft, and here we have this water pump, and in here there is second timing chain in here what goes in here cylinder head, and this part moves those valves and those camshafts. But now we are looking this upper timing chain, and there is this tensioner what makes this timing belt.
They were blinded, tried to deny us, didn't think we were following our hearts.
In the Coventry factory, Jaguar's engine design team is headed by two great names in British motor racing achievement, Walter Hassan and Harry Mundy. Hassan was with Bentley in the great pre-war era. He went on to ERA. He was a key figure with Haynes and Bailey in the development of Jaguar's original XK engine. Mundy, too, was with ERA and BRM. Together, theirs were the Coventry Climax engines that won 4 world championships and more races than any other single name in history. Now, as director and chief engineer and chief designer, respectively, they are responsible for the whole range of Jaguar power units. The V12 is the latest of their remarkable creations. Mr. Mundy, introduce us to your engine.
The Forester has succeeded in attracting hordes of mainstream buyers to the brand without losing any of its Subaru-ness. But this all-new 4th generation Forester is facing a slew of new compact crossover rivals. And to meet that challenge has, in our eyes, become more like them. So, does the Forester still stand out, or now just blend in?
This is a Yugo. It was a tiny hatchback imported from Yugoslavia in the late 1980s and early 1990s. And it wasn't very good. In fact, it was quite bad.